Okay, this is a good song. This is a good song for this situation because you guys been in the sun a long time, so you're gonna start hallucinating. With all that puleho filling your lungs. Okay, good, because this next song, the title is Kekuhi Kanahele, that just means mirage. So once you guys start seeing two of me, it's not really, it's just, I'm two-ply. No, three-ply, like good toilet paper, yeah? I got you. I got you. This is only a test. Hallucinating out there.